Okay, so this is how to remove the seat and the harness from the Foodoo. The first thing you're going to want to do is recline the seat back here. So you're going to squeeze this mechanism and just lay the seat back. Then you're going to come up here and pull the end of this off. And then we're going to remove the crotch strap. So there's going to be a plastic D-ring on the underside. So you're going to want to turn sideways and just pull up through the slot. There we go. And then there's going to be buttons on either side of the seat here. So we're just going to undo these buttons there and there. So that takes this part off. So once this is out of the way, you'll see the waist straps are attached with another plastic D-ring. So you're going to want to do the same thing. Turn the D-ring sideways, push it through the slot. And then it's going to come back up through the second slot. So we're going to turn it sideways again. And then pull it back up through that slot. And that releases this one. This side. Down. And up. Okay. And then you're going to want to raise the seat back up. And then we're going to work from the back here. So there's going to be a tab on either side of the seat. So we're going to want to remove those. Actually, I'm going to help the paddleboard a little bit. Remove those. There. And there. And then raise the seat back up. Then we'll want to pull the rest of the material off of the seat. And then there's going to be 2 more final D-rings in the back. This is for the shoulder straps. So we're going to pop those through. They clip in here, so you pop them out, push it through. Same thing on the other side, pop it out, push it through, and the whole seat comes off.